Do you think your car's brake caliper has been causing problems for some time and want to know the warning signs? Then stay with us until the end of this video, because we're going to show you the most common symptoms you should watch for. Let's get started. Before we get into the warning signs, let's quickly understand what a brake caliper does. The brake caliper holds the brake pads and pushes them against the brake rotor to slow down or stop the vehicle. When you press the brake pedal, brake fluid travels through the brake lines and reaches the caliper, causing it to clamp the brake pads against the rotor. This creates the friction needed to reduce the vehicle's speed or bring it to a complete stop. Now, let's take a closer look at the signs that could indicate a failing brake caliper. Number 1. Vehicle pulls while braking. If your vehicle pulls to one side whenever you apply the brakes, it could indicate that one brake caliper is creating more braking force than the others. A damaged or sticking caliper may not operate correctly, causing it to push the brake pad harder against the rotor on one side. This uneven braking force can make the vehicle pull toward the side with the stronger brake, making handling more difficult and reducing your control of the car. If you notice this happening while driving, safely pull over and avoid aggressive braking. First, check for obvious issues such as a flat tire or uneven tire wear, since these can sometimes produce similar symptoms. If the tires look normal, drive carefully to the nearest repair shop or service center and have the braking system inspected. Number 2. Irregular brake pad wear. Another warning sign is uneven brake pad wear. A seized, sticking, or damaged caliper can cause one brake pad to wear much faster than the others because the braking pressure isn't being distributed evenly. When a caliper doesn't function properly, it may keep applying excessive pressure to one side of the rotor. As a result, the brake pad on that side can wear down much faster. If you notice that one brake pad is significantly thinner than the others, the caliper should be inspected. Uneven pad wear means the braking force isn't being applied correctly, which can affect both the performance and safety of your vehicle. Number 3. Strange braking sounds. Unusual noises when braking, especially squealing or grinding, can also be a warning that something is wrong with the brake pads or caliper. A sticking caliper may prevent the brake pads from moving properly and can cause them to wear unevenly or become completely worn out. Once the friction material is gone, the metal backing of the pad can make direct contact with the brake rotor, producing a grinding sound. These noises indicate that the brake components aren't operating smoothly. Continuing to drive with the problem can damage the rotor and other braking components while also reducing braking performance, so the issue should be checked as soon as possible. Number 4. Brake fluid escaping. A brake fluid leak around the affected wheel or near the brake line is another serious warning sign. This can happen when the seals inside the caliper become worn, damaged, or deteriorated, allowing brake fluid to escape. Brake fluid is essential because it creates the hydraulic pressure needed to operate the braking system. When fluid leaks from the caliper, the fluid level and hydraulic pressure can drop, reducing the vehicle's braking ability. If the leak is ignored, braking performance can continue to deteriorate and may eventually result in a serious loss of braking power or even brake failure. That's why any suspected brake fluid leak should be addressed immediately. Number 5. Changes in brake pedal response. A sticking or malfunctioning caliper can also change the way your brake pedal feels. You might notice that the pedal feels soft or spongy, or that it takes more effort than usual to bring the vehicle to a stop. This can happen when the braking system isn't generating or distributing hydraulic pressure properly. As a result, the pedal may feel different, softer, or less responsive than normal. Any noticeable change in brake pedal feel should be taken seriously because it can indicate that the braking system isn't operating correctly. A problem like this can reduce your ability to stop the vehicle safely. So, those are 5 common warning signs of a bad brake caliper. If you notice any of these symptoms, have the braking system inspected by a qualified mechanic so the exact problem can be diagnosed and repaired properly. And if your brake caliper does need to be replaced, the repair can typically cost around $300 to $800 per caliper, depending on your vehicle's make, model, and the parts and labor involved. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful car repair and maintenance tips. AutoFix Craft.